This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about cocktail picks, specifically these Bar Lux Cocktail Picks. They are 4.5 inches long and come in 3 finishes. You can see the gold-plated stainless steel here. There's also a silver stainless steel and the copper-plated stainless steel, giving you 3 great color options to help customize your bar setups. These are perfect for creating garnishes. They've got lovely sharp points that are perfect for piercing fruit and other great ingredients, and they feature this lovely little circular handle detail on the end, making them easy to pick up, grip, and hold, especially while assembling your garnishes, and giving your customers something to grab onto, in addition to having that just little touch of style there. They're a stainless steel construction, which makes them corrosion resistant and really long lasting. These reusable picks are an elegant way for eco-minded establishments to really step up their game. It's recommended that you hand wash these to maintain the finish, and they're a great way to add some eye-catching sparkle to your beverages. They're even great for assembling things like mini app skewers or even tiny dessert skewers as well. They're perfect for bars, lounges, restaurants, caterers, or just your next cocktail party at home.